Okay, so I'm back. I'm at CVS. The concept, I'm vlogging for free makeup, but the concept of this is to go along with, I'm going to do a video with a face full of makeup that I got for free. So let me show y'all this hustle. Okay, y'all, so Neutrogena, if you spend $30, you get back $10 in extra care bucks. I have some $2 off coupons, which I'm here to tell y'all these Neutrogena sheet masks and these Hydro Boost products is going to be life with these warmer months coming. And we all know that I love their makeup remover cloths.
Oh, I love.
Okay, so boom, check this out, y'all. $3.99 for a face mask. I can get $30 worth, and keep in mind I have $2 off coupons, so I'm going to pay $1.99 for my mask. So I am going to rack up. Okay, so see right here, LA Girl Pro. You spend $10, you get 3 back. So I'm going to get $10 worth of something, probably their highlighting powder and another concealer and a lip liner to go with the look I wanted to. No particular look, I just want some free stuff. All right, this is what I really come for. Y'all see that? Spend 10 and Wet n Wild, get back a $5 extra care bucks. I got $1 off of one Wet n Wild coupon. And check this out, y'all know, if y'all seen my brow routine that I've been doing on everybody, this pencil is life. And guess what, this pencil is 49 cents, so it's gonna take the $1 off, making it 49 cents, and I'm going to get $10 worth and get $5 back. So this is a freebie. Alrighty, see my Wet n Wild, see my pencils to the register. Okay, so I'm gonna split my transactions up because on my 330 phone number, this extra coupon pop out, which I'm going to use that with the Neutrogena stuff and the not Wet n Wild, what's that back there, LA Girl Pro. We're going to use that 4 off of 15 for that. And check this out. Okay, you know how I have the $1 off the Wet n Wild? Well, guess what? I got an additional coupon right here that's giving me 4 off of 10 any Wet n Wild. So listen, we already getting money back, so we actually made money on this deal, so let's rock it. Okay, so we up at the register, y'all. This is going to be the first transaction, the Neutrogena, the $2 off and the extra coupon, and I'm gonna get $10 back for all of this. So let's go. Okay, so this concludes the CVS vlog, y'all. 10 Wet n Wild pencils, 8 Neutrogena face masks, a LA Girl Pro highlighter, a lip liner, a lip gloss. I think it was 11. Well, y'all saw the total, but anyway, I got back $18 in extra care rewards. I got a 5 off of 40, a 4 off of 15. So I can hold all of that and come back and combine that with all of this. And guess what? Next week, Maybelline is buy one get one half off, and Tide will be $1. So you already know what I'm gonna use all the CVS money on. Thanks for watching. Oh, and check for my video of face full of makeup that I got for free. Listen, vlog, listen, we at my house, right? And I'm in the back of the car trying to separate the stuff to give my sister some stuff. Let me tell you what she just did. You have to watch people, right? So I'm back here separating the stuff. She was like, I need lotion, this, that, another. And I'm like, I don't have it. Don't y'all know this girl ran up my steps? She's in my house stealing. She's stealing. When you are a couponer, folks will raid your home, okay? No, really, it's all love. I'm just tripping. But she is up there taking stuff she ain't supposed to. Bro, see her right there? Don't duck. And look at the stuff in her hand. And in my pocket. And in her pocket. Vlog people. Oh, you about to push me down. Listen, when you coupon so much, right, and you got $100 toothbrushes that you get for free, she gonna hide her face, but she taking one. I mean, call like that. Come on. And that's my other little sister look like Do-Rag Sally. Get out. Go ahead out.
I'm trying to get out.
Tell the vlog bye.
See you later.
Come on out. She's stealing. And free pizza from Harris Teeter. Thank you for the ride, but go ahead home. Bye. Have a good night.
All these your mama, you a thief.